I recently had our external USB drive fail. It was a Western Digital on my passport drive. I took it to two different PC shops and they tried to recover it, the data, and get their drive working again. They both failed. However, one of them recommended Payam Data Recovery as a company that could potentially recover my drive. So I contacted them. I was absolutely amazed with how professional they were. Their communication, the service level, absolutely outstanding. I gave them the drive and a spare drive, and within, I think it was 3 business days, they had the drive recovered. It was a personal drive; it had no business data on it. It had something that was more important to us, and it was a lot of family pictures and things that you treasure as a family. Hence why we wanted to recover all the data. Um, the service they provided was absolutely excellent. I'd recommend them to anybody.